Module 9D, line 181, survey. At least 5 days prior to closing date, buyer may, at buyer's expense, have the real property surveyed and certified by a registered Florida surveyor, in parentheses, survey. If seller has a survey covering the real property, a copy shall be furnished to buyer and closing agent within 5 days after effective date.
Super self-explanatory. You have 5 days prior to closing to get your survey in and to the seller. So a survey measures land horizontally and vertically. It's going to give us boundary lines based on the legal description. It's super crucial, especially when a lender is involved in a transaction. And the gist here is that you have 5 days prior to closing to get it done.
Right, and a lot of times, you know, sometimes a buyer will ask the seller if they already have one. If they do, it'd be great if they provide one. They're not obligated to.
Right, exactly. If the seller has one and they can provide it, great, and we can rely on it, wonderful. There are provisions later on in this contract that we'll get to that'll specify when a seller would be responsible for doing that and whether they'd have to sign certain affidavits attesting to whether any changes to the land have been made. But if you're going to be ordering a brand new survey, you have 5 days prior to closing to get it done.